How to use Reddit ads credit. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To use your Reddit ad credit, go ahead and open up your Reddit application first and foremost. Now first thing, we have to go ahead and find out our available credit. To check on that, you can go ahead and log into your account of your Reddit. At the very top, you will see your username icon. Tap on it. From the menu, you have to navigate through billing section. Right there in the billing section, you will find a section called available credit. You'll be able to check on your credit. Now how to use it. If your ad credit is legit and not expired, you can simply copy the credit and you can paste on the promo code box given to you when you are checking out of your billing section. Once you enter your code, you'll be able to redeem or use your ad credit easily in your Reddit application. Most of you do not know, but ad credit is a fantastic way to kickstart your advertising effort on one of the most engaging platforms on the internet. And the best part, you may already have some credit waiting for you and you just don't know where to find it. Hopefully, we were able to help you to find your credit and guide you through the process of how to use your credit. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.